A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the chapter The Cell, Class 8, Subject Science. Today's topic is Labeled Diagram of Plant Cell. So we are going to draw the diagram of a plant cell. First, we should know what is the shape of the plant cell. Definitely, the plant cells are mostly rectangular. इनकी जो शक्ल होती है ज़्यादातर almost all plant cells are rectangular. उनकी शक्ल जो होती है एक rectangle की तरह होती है और इनकी जो shape होती है that is fixed. यानी ये अपनी शेप नहीं बदलते. इनकी शेप जो है वो फिक्स्ड है क्योंकि इनका एक लेयर होता है बाहर से, एक कोटिंग होती है जिसको हम सेल वॉल कहते हैं. दैट्स मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज. तो वो इसकी शेप को बरकरार रखता है, वो इसकी शेप को बदलने नहीं देता है. सो वी कैन से दैट प्लांट सेल्स आर रेक्टेंगुलर and have fixed shape due to cell wall. Now let's try to first draw a plant cell and then label the different parts of the cell one by one. Let's start our drawing. Okay, we will first draw a rectangle. Okay, at corners we will try to give it a curve, a little bit of curve. थोड़ा सा इसका जो कॉर्नर है उसमें हम कर्व देंगे. तो एक रेक्टेंगल एक हम बना रहे हैं. तो कॉर्नर जो यहाँ पे है तो वहाँ पे हम इसको कर्व देंगे, थोड़ा सा कर्व देंगे. ठीक, तो इसको नीचे खींचेंगे आप. ठीक, तो बिल्कुल ये शेप जो है एक रेक्टेंगल की तरह है, मगर यहाँ पे मैंने जो कॉर्नर्स हैं उनको थोड़ा कर्व दिया. ओके, देन वी विल ड्रॉ अनदर लाइन हैविंग ए लिटिल बिट ऑफ गैप. तो इस लाइन को हम यहाँ ऐसे खींचेंगे, तो फिर यहाँ इसको कर्व देंगे इधर ऐसे. यहाँ कॉर्नर में फिर से कर्व दे सकते हैं. And this is actually the outer layer of the plant cell. This is the extra protective layer of the plant cell, and we know it that this extra protective layer is known as cell wall. Animal cells do not have this extra protection layer which is known as cell wall, but plant cells do have the extra protective layer and this is known as cell wall. तो इसको थोड़ा यहाँ पे थोड़ा कलर करेंगे. Yes, because it's a thick layer, it's a thick protective layer, the cell wall. अच्छा, एक्चुअली में क्या होता है कि जो प्लांट सेल है इसमें एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर होती है, एनिमल सेल में एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर नहीं होती है. अच्छा, वजह क्या है प्लांट सेल्स में क्यों ये एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन है और एनिमल सेल्स में ये एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर क्यों नहीं है? दरअसल बात ये है कि एनिमल्स जो है वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं, ठीक. तो जो स्ट्रेस आउटसाइड एनवायरनमेंट का जो स्ट्रेस होता है, प्रेशर होता है, तो उस प्रेशर से चूँकि एनिमल्स ह्यूमंस मूव कर सकते हैं, दाएं बाएं मूव कर सकते हैं, तो प्रेशर से बचने के लिए, स्ट्रेस से बचने के लिए, चूँकि एनिमल्स और ह्यूमंस में लोकोमोशन होता है, वो मूव करते हैं, तो उनको एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अगर हम प्लांट सेल की बात करेंगे, क्योंकि प्लांट्स तो एक ही जगह फिक्स्ड है ना, तो ये मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई प्रेशर एक्सर्ट होता है, कोई दबाव पड़ता है बाहर से एनवायरनमेंट का, तो उस दबाव को एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए ये एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है, ठीक. एक और चीज़ें हमने एनिमल सेल में देखा है कि वहाँ पे लाइसोसोम्स होते हैं जो एक्स्ट्रा वेस्ट को बाहर निकालता है. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था फैगोसाइटोसिस करता है, तो जैसे कोई बैक्टीरिया या वायरस अंदर चली जाए तो उसको डाइजेस्ट करता है, तो इसमें लाइसोसोम नहीं होता है. इसमें लाइसोसोम प्लांट सेल में नहीं होता है. इसमें वो काम अंजाम देता है वैक्यूम. तो ये जो सेल वॉल है ये इसीलिए है कि बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस एंटर ना हो, ठीक. तो सबसे पहले तो इसकी प्रोटेक्शन यही है कि सेल वॉल जो है वो तमाम जो फॉरेन बॉडीज़ है उनको रोकता है, जबकि एनिमल सेल में ईजिली वो दाखिल हो सकता है, मगर उसके लिए अंदर लाइसोसोम्स हैं जो उनको डाइजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो इनमें लाइसोसोम्स मौजूद नहीं है, मगर इसमें तो बाहर से ही एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है जो बैक्टीरिया और वायरस को अंदर दाखिल होने नहीं देता है. सो देयर आर लिटिल चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग इन्फेक्शन टू द प्लांट सेल, but more chances are for infection in animal cells. So this cell wall is a protective layer, highly protective layer. Okay, then we have another membrane, another layer inside the cell wall. This is our cell wall, and then we have extra layer inside. This is actually the cell membrane, which is also present in animal cells. Animal cells do have cell membrane, plasma membrane, but in plant cells we also have this cell membrane or plasma membrane, but we have an extra protective layer that is known as cell wall. Okay, this is another second membrane inside inner membrane that is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, then we will move towards the nucleus. We do have a nucleus and we have a large vacuole. Okay, we will first draw the large, bigger vacuole, single vacuole. kidney type bean shaped vacuole do we have. And then we have the nucleus as well, which is the control center of the cell, which is the brain of the cell. Okay, we do have a brain of the cell. Spherical in shape. Okay, this is our large vacuole containing cell sap. Inside this vacuole there is cell sap, which consists of water, enzymes, salts, and so many things. And this is our nucleus, which is the control center of the cell, which is the brain of the cell. Okay, this nucleus contains another spherical body inside that is known as nucleolus. Okay, inside the nucleus we have thread-like structures which are known as chromatin material that are responsible for making chromosomes, which contain DNA, and genes that are the hereditary material that can store the information, that can store the characters which are to be passed on from parents to offsprings. Okay, we have chromatin material as well inside the nucleus. We have this membrane of this nucleus, which is known as nuclear membrane. It has pores. It has small pores, which are known as nuclear pores. Okay, then we have an organelle that is known as endoplasmic reticulum, that is very much attached to the this nuclear membrane. Okay, we will try to draw the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum here. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then which acts as a channel for the transport of materials. And then we have mitochondria. There are many mitochondrions present inside the cell. Okay, then we have another here. Okay, these are mitochondrions which are responsible for cellular respiration, which are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, then we have another cell organelle that is known as chloroplast, which contains chlorophyll, which is responsible for the process of photosynthesis and manufacturing of food by plants. Okay, we have chloroplast here. This is also a double membrane. Mitochondria is also a double membrane organelle. Chloroplast is also a double membrane organelle. Then we have the thylakoids. Let's show it with green color. Okay, this is our chloroplast. We will draw another because there are so many chloroplasts present inside the plant cell. Okay, it has a double membrane. These are thylakoids, and the stack of thylakoids are known as albranum. We have many grana, many stacks of thylakoids, and inside these thylakoids, disc-shaped structures is present the green pigment called chlorophyll. इन thylakoids के अंदर green pigment होता है जिसको हम chlorophyll कहते हैं, जो responsible है for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, yes, we have certain other organelles as well. We have these spherical particles, and these spherical particles are known as ribosomes, that are the site for protein synthesis. So these were the main parts of the plant cell. Now let's try to label them one by one. Okay, first we will see we have an outer coating, extra protective layer. This is known as cell wall. Cell wall. Okay, then we have another membrane. This is known as cell membrane. Cell membrane. Then we have a large central vacuole. We have a vacuole, large central vacuole. Only one vacuole is present inside the plant cell, and that is bigger in size. And then we have this nucleus. This is the nucleus and the nuclear membrane. Okay, the whole this body is nucleus. Is nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is a spherical body that is known as nucleolus. Nucleolus. Okay, we have these thread-like structures. These are known as chromatin material. Chromatin material. Chromatin material. Okay, we have this endoplasmic reticulum. endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then we have, after that we have this mitochondria. Mitochondria that is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Then we have these double membrane organelle containing thylakoids or granum, which is responsible for photosynthesis, and this organelle is known as chloroplast, or we can say plastids. Chloroplast. Then we have these granules, we have these small particles. These particles are known as ribosomes. So this was our plant cell having different organelles inside. Hope you understand the diagram, label diagram of plant cell. Try to draw it yourself. Okay, thank you very much.